Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to build a best practice query for messaging relationship records. First, we're going to build a separate opt-out group in Database. Navigate to Database, search for message groups, and click on Insert New. Our build today is centered around effective communications and specifically making sure that a parent does not accidentally opt their student out of receiving messages from your institution. Navigate to Deliver and begin a new message with your opt-out group. For our sample today, I'm going to keep the settings pretty basic. Then, navigate to Edit Recipient List and select New Query. On a configurable join space, select Related and then Relation. This will pull one relation per row in the query. For our filters, we can make decisions like what relationships should be receiving this message based on the prompts in your database. I would also recommend having a filter of email address exists. You'll probably want to have a base join to person in order to further limit what relations receive this email. Do you want it to go to the parent or guardians of current inquiries, applicants, or admitted students? All of that will be managed through your filters and joins. With the base join to person, it's also easy to pull in the student's name for personalization. Sending the message from this base will help with your tracking of engagement, and it will help make sure that your targeted messages always reach the right audience. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.